Tributes continue to flow for a wife of K.D Knight who passed away recently. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Tributes are continuing to pour in for Dr. Pauline Knight, the wife of veteran attorney at law and former Senator K.D. Knight, following the news of her death on Friday. She reportedly died in hospital after contracted COVID-19. Knight is being remembered for her service to the Planning Institute of Jamaica, where she once served as acting director general until late 2010. Several persons, including senior members of the People's National Party, where Knight's husband is also a senior member, took to social media in order to express their condolences to the grieving family. Among those from the opposition PNP who paid homage to Knight was party president Mark Golin. He wrote, "Our heartfelt sympathies goes out to our dear esteemed colleague K.D. Knight on the sad passing of his dear wife Pauline, and our condolences to the entire family. May her soul rest in peace." Former PNP chairman Philip Powell also expressed sadness after the news of Miss Knight's passing. "It is with profound sadness and with deep sympathy that we have learned of the passing of Miss Pauline Knight, beloved wife of our dear comrade K.D. Knight. Condolences to his entire family, friends, and colleagues. Rest in peace, Pauline," posted Powell on Friday night. PNP Vice President aspirant Mr. Richard Azan also posted, "R.I.P. Mrs. Pauline Knight. My condolences to C.D. Knight and his entire family." We at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to the family and friends of Mr. K.D. Knight. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.